This course is designed to introduce participants to Microsoft Excel, covering the fundamental features and functions that will empower them to effectively manage, analyze, and present data. Whether you're completely new to Excel or have minimal experience, this course provides a solid foundation to enhance your data handling proficiency. Beginners with little or no prior experience with Excel. Individuals looking to improve their basic Excel skills for personal, academic, or professional purposes. By the end of this course, participants will understand the Excel interface and basic functionalities, be able to perform data entry and formatting, utilize basic formulas and functions for simple calculations, create and manipulate charts for data visualization, gain confidence in saving, sharing, and printing Excel files. What is Excel? Overview and applications in various fields. Navigating the Excel interface, ribbon, toolbars, and menus. Understanding workbooks and worksheets, structure of Excel files. Entering data, how to enter and edit text, numbers, and dates. Formatting cells, font styles, colors, borders, and number formats. Working with rows and columns, inserting, deleting, and resizing. Introduction to formulas. Understanding how to create basic calculations. Common functions: sum, average, min, max, and count. Using cell references, absolute versus relative references. Sorting and filtering data, organizing data for better analysis. Using the Find and Replace feature, quickly managing data entries. Basic data validation, ensuring accuracy of data entry. Creating basic charts, types of charts, and how to visualize data effectively. Customizing charts, formatting and modifying charts for presentations. Using sparklines, quick visual summaries of data trends. Page layout, setting up the sheet for printing, including margins and orientation. Print preview, how to view and adjust before printing. Saving and sharing, saving files in various formats and sharing via email or cloud services. Creating a simple budget spreadsheet. Apply learned skills in a practical scenario. With real-life scenarios, we discuss common Excel use cases such as project tracking and basic data analysis. Hands-on exercises. Participants will complete practical exercises after each module to reinforce learning. The final project, a simple project integrating the skills learned throughout the course, such as creating a professional-looking report or spreadsheet. This Excel Introduction training course is an excellent opportunity to build a strong foundation in Excel and gain practical skills that can be applied in various contexts. Participants will leave the course equipped with the knowledge and confidence to utilize Excel effectively for personal or professional use. On completion of the training course, delegates complete a course evaluation form. These are returned to the administrator at your request. Feel free to modify the course details, objectives, or modules to better fit specific needs or requirements of your audience. To start your journey into the world of Excel, call Mouse Training on 02079 209500 or visit mousetraining.london for further information.